Welcome to Beautyistic. I'm so glad you could join me today. If you love finding the best beauty tools that blend both style and function, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a product that'll add a little elegance to your routine. The Kitsch Spray Bottle for hair. Whether you're taking care of your plants or even tidying up around the house, this spray bottle has a lot of promise. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Kitsch Spray Bottle for hair is a sleek, versatile misting spray bottle designed to elevate your everyday routine. At 5/0, it's the perfect size for carrying around or keeping on your vanity. Made from recycled plastic, it's an eco-friendly choice that doesn't skimp on style or performance. The ultra-fine mist it delivers makes it ideal for hairstyling, but it's also useful for a variety of tasks, whether it's for barbers, salons, cleaning, or even watering your plants. The continuous misting feature ensures an even, steady flow that can be easily controlled, making it a versatile addition to your beauty or household regimen. Its terracotta color adds a touch of elegance, making it an attractive tool you'll want to display rather than hide away. So, how does it perform in real-world situations? Well, I put it to the test across several different uses. First, for hairstyling, it really does deliver a fine mist that evenly distributes water across your hair, making it perfect for wetting your strands before applying products or for rehydrating curls. The continuous mist is gentle yet effective without drenching your hair in large drops of water. It's great for styling sessions, especially when you need something precise but light. I also tested it for plant watering, and it performed beautifully, providing just the right amount of water without over-wetting the soil. The bottle itself is compact and easy to hold, making it user-friendly for various tasks. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the Kitsch Spray Bottle is compact, eco-friendly, and stylish. The fine mist is excellent for controlled spraying, and it's easy to use for both beauty and practical tasks. The design is sleek and chic, which makes it look great on display. Plus, being made from recycled materials, you're making an environmentally conscious choice. On the flip side, the 5/0 capacity may not be enough for longer sessions if you're using it for larger areas like cleaning or if you need to spray large amounts of water. However, this isn't a major drawback since it's designed for precision and targeted use. Another minor downside is that while the mist is continuous, it can take a few pumps to really get it going if the bottle is too full. But again, this is a minor issue, as once it's flowing, the misting is smooth and even. When it comes to value for money, I'd say the Kitsch Spray Bottle offers excellent value. It's affordable, especially when you consider its eco-friendly materials and its versatility across different tasks. You're not just paying for a stylish bottle, you're investing in a tool that will serve multiple functions around your home or in your beauty routine. Now, how does it compare to similar products on the market? There are plenty of spray bottles out there, but many of them don't offer the same level of fine misting or the same stylish design. In this price range, most spray bottles are either too bulky or lack the elegant, continuous misting feature that Kitsch offers. It stands out for its aesthetic appeal as well as its eco-conscious build, making it a solid competitor in the world of beauty and household tools. Speaking of build quality, this bottle is crafted from recycled plastic, which gives it a sturdy, durable feel. Despite its lightweight nature, it's clear that it's designed to last. The materials feel solid, and I haven't noticed any signs of wear and tear after a few weeks of use. There's a certain weight to it that feels premium, which adds to its overall appeal. As for customer support, I haven't had any direct interactions with Kitsch's support team, but the brand is well known for its commitment to high-quality beauty tools. They've earned a reputation for reliability, and that's reflected in the overall design and functionality of their products. To wrap up, the Kitsch Spray Bottle for hair is a great investment for anyone who values both style and practicality in their beauty tools. Whether you're styling your hair, watering your plants, or using it for general cleaning, it delivers on its promises of fine misting, compact design, and eco-friendly construction. If you're looking for a versatile spray bottle that combines elegance with everyday utility, this one's a winner. Before we finish, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things beauty here at Beautyistic. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the Kitsch Spray Bottle. Do you already use it or plan to? Drop a comment below and let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you next time. Keep it misty with Beautyistic.